Welcome to Beisit's Product Showcase. Today, we proudly present our star product, the X-Proof Cable Gland Series, safeguarding your industrial operations. Established in 2009 in Hangzhou, Beisit Electric is a national high-tech enterprise with over 40,000 square meters of facilities and more than 400 staff members, including 125 in R&D. Our mission: specialize in industrial automation, IoT systems, and energy storage connectors with a commitment to quality is life, 100% qualified delivery. Our X-Proof Cable Gland series is suitable for high-risk industries such as wind power, energy storage, EVs, rail transit, industrial automation, and photovoltaics. These glands are essential safety components, providing protection in explosive gas and high-dust environments. The series includes three main types: XE-type nylon with silicone seals, operating from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, certified with IESEX, ATEX, CNEX, CCC, rated XEB2CGB/XTDA21IP68. XD-type nickel-plated brass or stainless steel, -60 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius, tested to -65 degrees Celsius to Bagosib DOSI. Fully certified, rated XD2CGB/XTDA21IP66/68. Accessories: rubber seals, dust covers, etc., customizable to enhance system safety. High-quality materials, corrosion-proof, fire-resistant, and dust-water sealed. Flexible sizing from M12 to M63 to fit various cable diameters. Fast customization, mass production delivery in as fast as 7 days. Comprehensive certifications: IEC, ATEX, CNEX, CCC. Here's how they perform in real-world usage. Ensure reliable operation in wind power and photovoltaic systems. Prevent short circuits and leakage in energy storage systems. Withstand dust, oil mist, and vibration in industrial automation environments. To summarize, Beisit's X-Proof Cable Gland series offers professional design, global certifications, and fast support to ensure your safety.